Hello everyone, welcome to TP Max IIT JE classes. నేను మీ TP సార్. Quadratic equation. Introduction. Any equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are real or complex numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation in the variable x. The numbers a comma b comma c are called the coefficients of this equation. Next, standard form of a quadratic equation. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. See here, a is a x square coefficient. B is x coefficient. C is a constant. And the one more important condition is a is not equal to 0. That means a should be either positive or negative, but it should be not equal to 0. Now, if we take a equal to 0, see what will happen if a equal to 0. A equal to 0, substitute in this equation 0 into x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now 0 into something, 0 plus bx plus c equal to 0. From this bx plus c equal to 0. Now bx plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation. It is not a quadratic equation. That's why in the standard form of the quadratic equation, the x square coefficient should be not equal to 0. If we consider a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For this quadratic equation, degree is 2 and number of solutions are 2. Examples of the quadratic equation: 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x square minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x square plus x equal to 0. These are all best examples of the quadratic equations. Next one is types of the quadratic equations. First one is pure quadratic equation. Pure quadratic equation is of the form of ax square plus c equal to 0. That means b equal to 0 in ax square plus bx plus c. Here b equal to 0, that means x coefficient is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation become a pure quadratic equation. For example, x square minus 1 equal to 0. 3x square plus 1 equal to 0. 3x square minus 2 is equal to 0. These are all best examples of the pure quadratic equation. The second one is monic quadratic equation. The quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, is called a monic quadratic equation if the coefficient of its leading term is 1. That means a equal to 1. Here leading term means x square term. If x square coefficient is equal to 1, the quadratic equation is called a monic quadratic equation. For example, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here x square coefficient is 1, so this is called a monoquadratic equation. X square minus 1 equal to 0. It is also a monoquadratic equation and also called a pure quadratic equation. X square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x square coefficient is 1, so it is also called a monoquadratic equation. So these are all the best examples of the monoquadratic equations. Okay, thank you everyone.